Experiencing iMessage problems on Total Wireless? You're not alone. Since Total Wireless operates on Verizon's network as an MVNO, Mobile Virtual Network Operator, iMessage activation can be tricky due to carrier-specific configurations and how Apple prioritizes major carriers. You might see the dreaded waiting for activation message. These issues often spike after iOS updates. The core problem lies in Apple's system sometimes failing to properly recognize Total Wireless SIM card during iMessage activation. But don't worry, there are fixes. First, toggle iMessage off and on in Settings, Messages. Next, reset your network settings through Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Ensure your APN settings are correct. The cellular data APN should be vWinternet and MMS APN should be vZwims or similar. You can also manually update carrier settings in Settings, General, About. Since iOS 18, RCS is partially supported, improving messaging to non-iMessage users. If iMessage fails, SMS MMS works for basic texting, and RCS offers richer media sharing. If problems persist, contact Total Wireless Support for carrier-specific assistance.